wearing this reddish plum purplish, as you know I don't have a name right now, but if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not. And before you go, this video is dedicated it is actually for one of you guys who actually requested for a look to wear with a purple outfit. So this is for you, Fira Jeffrey, if I'm not mistaken. You actually commented on my video saying that you want actually a eye look that is suitable for purple outfit. So I decided to actually pakai eyeshadow which is obviously not purple, because I'm not the type of person who macam kalau I pakai je purple, everything has to be purple. Like my eye have to be purple, my lips have to be purple, my shirt no. I'm the type of girl who like to have a little bit of contrast. So bila I pakai, imagine if I were to use like a purple top, I would pair up with this eyeshadow. This is like a reddish plumish purplish kind of look, which is suitable not only for purple outfit, for any outfit actually. It's like universal. This is the reason why I like to do this for you guys, because I like to create looks that you guys can wear with any tops and any colors that you guys want to wear. And I hope Fira Jeffrey you enjoy this video. Sorry if it's a bit late. I just did the eye. For the face, you guys know the routine. You guys can just click on top, which I do the glowy blush. That is pretty much what I usually do. And I think that's all. Yeah, I remember I still have 2 videos that I own. Khadija, Kat, if you are watching, sabar menanti ya sis. Please, now that I have my backdrop changed, maybe I can do what you asked me to do, my tudung and outfit, how I match my tudung and outfit. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. But yeah, please be patient with me. I tak lupa, I will not forget your request, I will remember. So if you have any other requests, give me all of your requests and suggestions. I'm more than happy to do it for you guys. For you girls, guys, gangs, I want to call you gangs. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram. I start doing my live video back, because tadi I buat live video and I just fell in love again. So follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name here. It's Namie Makeupholic. It's simple. And okay, done. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, the XX Namie. Bye guys.